Okay. All right. Today we're gonna make a wild bird Christmas tree. Okay. Okay. So anywhere in America you can find trees that are either exotic or are invasive. Watch that dog. And hey, and here in this part of the country, red cedars have become invasive, mainly because we don't burn enough. And you can see this one's been somewhat affected by the fire, but it's too big now, so the fire won't kill it. So we're going to kind of help the habitat by removing this tree, and then we're going to take it home and decorate it for the birds. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So let me get my little hand saw, and we'll cut it down. Okay.
Let's go get back on the stage.
Okay, we got our Christmas tree, our bird Christmas tree, and our Christmas tree stand. We'll put it in this and fill it with water, and then hopefully it'll freeze and help hold our tree down. And as you can see, we got a pretty good bird feeder already, don't we? So this will just be extra for the birds once we get it up. Okay, so we'll put our stand on and put our tree up, okay? We ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then how are you going to get the water?
We'll put some water in it. Okay. All right, Sophie, you're decorating some of the pine cones. You're covering them. What are you putting on them?
Peanut butter.
You think the birds will like that?
Yes.
Okay. So we got a bucket full of pine cones. And we have some chunky peanut butter, right, with peanuts in it. And then we've got some suet cake hangers. We're going to hang some suet. We've got a bird seed bell. And then we've got some Cheerios and some red ribbon. We're going to thread the Cheerios onto the ribbon. And then when we get done, we'll hang it all on our tree. We had to put some rocks there on our tree.
And then we will go ice skating.
Ice skating? Yeah, where Daddy spilled that water, we might. Okay. All right, so let's get those things all put together and we'll put them on our tree. Okay, we got our tree up, our wild bird Christmas tree. We've got some pine cones with peanut butter, some suet. We got raisins on it, blueberries, some apple slices, Cheerios, and suet cakes. And we've already got a lot of birds here because we've got the feeder going right there beside it. And as usual with most kid projects, the kids left an hour ago, and I've been working ever since to get it fixed. So anyway, we're going to watch it this December and see how many birds use it.